Assalamu alaikum students. So all of you will be fine. This is Javed Zulfikar, your physics teacher for class 9th. This is the first lecture of week 3 that we are going to starting. In this lecture, students, we will come to know base unit and derived unit. That's an important topic for our physics. These two topics remain continue till 10th class, even that after first, second, and second year. बिकॉज दीज यूनिट्स ये जो यूनिट्स हैं ये बार बार यूज़ होंगे, सिर्फ इधर नहीं, बार बार हर जगह पर यूज़ होंगे ये. सो बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीज़न दिस टॉपिक इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो मस्ट लिसन दिस लेक्चर वेरी केयरफुली एंड आफ्टर दैट मस्ट लर्न दिस units very carefully with symbols. Clear? So first of all, I want to explain that base units. What are base units? The unit that describe base quantities. Very simple. In my previous lecture, I told about the base quantities. There are 7 basically base quantities are there. Yes. Okay, these are written: length, mass, time, electric current, intensity of light, temperature, amount of substance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are base quantities, and here units is written. These are base units. So base units, the unit that describe base quantities, are called base units. Clear? So simple. So how much base quantities? 7. So how there will be also 7 base units. It's that simple. Okay. So first thing is length, small l, not a capital. Clear? So you should know about there in physics there is a great difference of capital and lowercase alphabets. Clear? So it's lowercase l, meter, small m, or lowercase m. Clear all of you? Length, the unit of length is meter, symbol is L, and the symbol of meter is M. Clear all of you? Okay. Alright, next, mass. The symbol of mass is M. I will say simple words, small m or lowercase. Kilogram, kg, like this. Clear? The unit of mass is kilogram. The unit of mass is kilogram, length is meter. Okay. Time, small t, must know. Look, this capital T and this small t. Small t for time, capital T for temperature. Okay. Time, small t, the unit of time is second. Clear all of you? It is small s. Done all of you? Okay. Electric current, I, capital I. Electric current, I. Ampere, capital A. The unit of electric current is ampere. Okay. Intensity of light, capital L is the intensity of light. Okay. Candela, CD. The unit of intensity of light is candela, that is CD. Clear? Next is amount of substance, small n. Temperature, capital T, Kelvin K. In our daily life, we mostly use degree centigrade. So basically, these are 3 scales. But here, according to SI unit, these are system international units. So these for that temperature is Kelvin. The unit of temperature is Kelvin, capital K. Amount of substance, small n, mole, MOL. That are the unit. You should know on fingertips the base unit: length, mass, time, electric current, intensity of light, temperature, amount of substance. And after that you should know the symbols and units and the symbol of unit as well. Clear? So hope so you people understand the base unit. Base units are the units that describe base quantities, and there are 7 base quantities. So the units will be also 7. So a very easy and interesting topic. There is no any boring thing, any difficult thing. You can learn within 5 to 10 minutes with more practice and again and again. Okay. The next is here derived unit. Derived unit is not a new unit. Basically, there are only 1 base unit. All the units that are except these 7, they are called derived, and they are coming from base units, not a new thing. There is nothing any new thing. Must keep it in your mind. because derived unit, first of all we should know about the derived quantities. In my previous lecture I told about derived quantities. uh, so derived unit, the same definition you can do. The unit that describe derived quantities are called derived unit. Very simple. The unit that describe base quantities are called derived unit. Simple, you can do this. The unit that the quantities the quantities that derived from base quantities. Basically, these are not new. They are coming from base units. So look how I will explain my answer. Speed. The unit of speed is meter per second. Symbol is small v. Okay, and symbol the unit symbol meter per second. Clear? Look, how I said that they are coming from. Look, what is meter? Meter is also where is length meter? Yes, base unit, and second is also base unit. So what is new over here? Nothing. So all these things are coming. So it means derived unit are coming. We can observe derived unit by dividing two base unit, multiplying, dividing, or doing any other thing. We can find observe derived unit. Clear? Derived unit कोई new नहीं है. ये बेस यूनिट्स को कोई दो से ज्यादा बेस यूनिट्स को कंबाइन करने से हमें ये फाइंड होता है. क्लियर? सो स्पीड v मीटर पर सेकंड. एक्सेलरेशन सॉरी a स्मॉल a मीटर पर सेकंड. क्लियर? ms-2. वॉल्यूम कैपिटल V क्यूबिक मीटर m3. फोर्स कैपिटल F Newton. Must write small n. Newton. Capital N is the unit symbol, or kilogram meter per second. Basically, the formula of force is ma. So mass is kilogram, and acceleration, the unit of acceleration we are already here. So how this is come like this? ms-2. In next chapters we will study about. Because some quantities have two units, so no issue, we will derive these. Next is pressure, Pascal, PA, or Newton meter square. So pressure is equal to force per unit area. So the unit of force is Newton. Clear? Where there is force, Newton. Yes, and area is meter square. Volume is here, area is meter square. You should know. We will do this here. So Newton per meter square, like this. We can do this. No issue if you don't know, but I'm just explaining that in our next chapters we will do also these all the things. Okay. Next is pressure done. Density rho. This symbol is called rho, not a p. Rho. It's just like this. Okay, like this. Rho. Kilogram per cubic meter. Clear? Charge Q, capital Q, small q, both. Charge, for charge. Coulomb, C or AS. Clear, all of you? So these two base units and derived unit, two definitions and two tables are very important for all the students. You have to learn. So MCQs पेपर में जो है वो इसमें से आता है. उसके अलावा जितने भी न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं उनके यूनिट्स हम इसकी मदद से फाइंड करते हैं. सो आप लोगों ने इसको अच्छे से याद करना है. सो टिल नेक्स्ट लेक्चर फिर मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त दीजिए. अल्लाह हाफिज़.